Do I look as chiseled as Deepika? Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great. If you're new here, then hi, I am Shivani and I started Beauty by Shivani here on YouTube and on Instagram with the idea that makeup and skincare can also be acts of self-love and self-care. If you believe the same, please do subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating this look worn by Deepika Padukone right here, and this was worn by her on the Kapil Sharma show while her Gehraiya promotions. I think all of her looks while the promotions was so bomb and I would love to recreate all of them honestly, but I thought let's go with this one. This is a nice easy soft smoky eye with a nude lip and that glow and bronzy look. So I thought why not do a tutorial for it, and I think I've done a pretty good job. What do you think? If you are interested in learning how to achieve this look, then please do keep on watching the video and don't forget to like and share and comment and subscribe. Do all of those good things and make me happy. Alright, so I've already prepped my skin with moisturizer, some lip balm and sunscreen as well. And for my base, I'm gonna go ahead with the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation and their HD Liquid Concealer. So from the looks of it, it doesn't seem like a super matte look, but it seems pretty medium to full coverage. So I think this is a great combo that I can work with today. Alright, so I've got about 2 pumps of foundation in here. I'm just gonna warm it up with my finger and dot it all over my face, starting off with just a little bit of it, and then we can always build it up. Then I'm blending the foundation with the Rufa Beauty RB23 brush. For concealer, I am applying it in the inner corner of my eye, the outer corner of my eye, forehead, around the mouth and around my nose, and blending it all in with the RB17 brush, again by Rufa Beauty, taking some of it on my eye as well for an eyeshadow base. Okay, so now moving on to the smoky eye bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Lakme Eyeconic Kajal and then just gonna very roughly line my eyes. Okay, see, that's super rough, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is the Coloricon eyeshadow palette in my Glamour spot. I think if you watched my videos, you've seen me use this so many times, but this is a great palette. So anyway, today we're gonna be working with this black shade, this light sort of medium brown, and this dark brown shade. Then with a flat brush like this, firstly I'm gonna take this black shade, dust off the excess. Wait, I need a mirror. And then I am going to smudge the kajal that we've applied. It's okay if it still gets messy. And then slowly I am gonna start taking it upwards like so. And then I'm going to take the darkest brown shade on that same brush and apply it right where we ended the black shade. And then I'm taking a large fluffy brush and then the medium brown shade that I had shown you before, dusting off the excess and just smudging it in the crease. So the reason I didn't start with the crease was because I wanted to finish this part first so that I can take the medium brown shade and smudge it with this itself, just for some more definition. And also I noticed in her picture, I'm gonna take an eyeliner and just going to line my eyes, no wing or anything, just a simple line. Then for mascara, I'm going in with the Warrior Princess Mascara by Flower Beauty. Okay, as you can see, the mascara itself looks pretty good, but if you look at her look from afar, it feels like she only has mascara on. But when I looked at a close-up picture, I did see some full but still natural looking eyelashes. So for that, I'm gonna be using the PAC eyelashes in 56. They are super natural, but they'll still make your eyelashes feel nice and full and also give you that wisp. Alright, lashes are on, one lash is on, but you can see the subtle difference that it has made. It's not too in your face dramatic, but it still looks pretty natural and full. So now I'm quickly gonna set my under eye with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Just very lightly. While I'm at it, I'm gonna set the rest of my face as well, where I applied the concealer. Now in my lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the same Lakme Kajal. Then taking the same flat brush and the medium brown shade and applying it on my lower lash line. So now for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be taking my all-time favorite, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And her brows are always sort of rounded and thick and full. But I am a natural brow kind of girl, so I'm kind of scared how I'm gonna do this, but let's see. Okay, as you can see, I have sort of outlined this area and tried to make it thicker and rounder as well. Okay, this is the thickest brow I have ever had on, and it looks pretty weird right now, but I'm hoping that once I do the other eye, it'll look nice and decent. Then I'm using the K-Beauty contour stick for my bronzer. Applying a generous bit over here because her face is nice and chiseled and she has an actual jawline. And then I'm gonna blend this all in with the cute little brush that I had gotten with my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and this stick is pretty blendable, so it'll get easily blended with this brush. Okay, now it's giving that nice slight bronzed effect, but I need a bit more. So I am taking a little bit of the light brown shade from the Wet n Wild palette, and then I'm taking that concealer brush, a little bit of the loose powder, and cleaning out the edges for a more chiseled look. And then for the blinding glow that you can see in Deepika's look, I'm taking the none other than Champagne Pop Highlighter by Becca. And I'm going to take this large fluffy brush. Look at that glow. I take a little bit on my brow bone as well. Little bit on the nose, the bridge of the nose and the tip of the nose. Now it's time to do the other side of my face. Alright, so now last but not the least at all, I am moving on to a lipstick, and for that I'm going to be using the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. She's wearing a nice pinkish nude shade, kind of like a My Lips but better shade, and I think this is the perfect for that. And since I don't have a matching liner, I'm just gonna line my lips with this tip itself. Alright, and just like that, we are done with the recreation. What do you think of this look? And I tried to make it as simple as possible with the step-by-step tutorial, and I really hope you found this helpful and you also liked this recreation. Please let me know in the comments below if you liked it, and which else celebrities look you would like me to recreate. I would love to know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel before you go. That would mean the world to me. Until next time, bye.